So apparently I don't have to make a payment until next month. I won't get charged any interest yet. Still not very clear on the PayPal thing. Without knowing what you're doing with it, they don't know how to categorize it. I think that done timed out. Yeah, that done timed out, so I'm not going to start it again. So my statement closing date is December 4th, which is technically after my payment due date. So that means I don't owe anything on this balance yet, which is really cool, paying everything off and starting it over. You get like a free ride with it. It would be even better if I had the Citi double cash back card though, which I'm going to try to get soon. I'm actually a little bit surprised that I got all this handled on chat without actually having to jump through hoops. I may try using chat in the future. I assume he had to go help the next person. Okay, I'm looking at this kit here, maybe for a Christmas present for me. Part of my Christmas money would pay for half of it. But figuring out the bills and everything, I'm not sure if I'll have enough money to actually get this. And if you're thinking that, well, what if it goes on sale after Christmas? Yeah, I thought of that too, but I could always take it back and get refunded or whatever. So here's another reason not to really worry about buying before Christmas or after Christmas, because the Home Depot will refund the difference if you buy something and within 30 days it's a cheaper price. So there's no point in waiting until after Christmas. But I will check and see after Christmas if that kit or that set goes on sale, or at least is any cheaper than it is now, I will update accordingly. So in order to pay for it, what I'm thinking that I can do is pay the $252 that needs to be paid from last statement balance anyway on the card, and then use that to extend this out another month in order to pay it. Does that make sense? So basically I would be spending the $252 to pay the card off, and then using the card to pay for the $229 plus tax, which would be roughly $240 something. And using that same money twice. I hope that makes sense. Then this balance has to be paid off by January 1st, or I will owe interest on it. Anything else that I put on that card won't have to be paid off until February 1st. So I think that would be a good thing to do. Don't you think? So now I have $318.48 of available credit I can use to buy that. This is a 12 volt, so it's really, really tiny, but really, really powerful. I may do a review on it when I get it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you think I did a clever thing, or if I did something totally stupid, or what. That's pretty much all I'm going to buy me for Christmas. So anyway, talk to you later.